Morning, everybody. Today we are going to continue the lesson Anak Krakatau. Anak Krakatau. As I told you, Krakatau is an island in the Sunda strait between Java and Sumatra in Indonesia. So Krakatau is an island where volcano erupts regularly. Krakatau is a place which was there in the Indonesia. And in this place, volcano erupts regularly. So we have seen what is volcano. Volcano is a crack or opening in the earth's crust. Okay, and there is hot molten rock near the earth's center. Sometimes it rises the surface of the earth through such a crack or opening and it flows out. Okay, when this happens, we say that the volcano has erupted. When these things happen, we said that volcano has erupted. A volcanic eruption happens on a tremendous scale. These dark clouds of smoke rise high from the opening and spread in the sky. Big, glowing, burning chunks of rock and red-hot lava are thrown out of the crack in the earth. Very hot mud and ash are also thrown out. A great volcanic eruption can change the landforms in an area. Due to the great volcanic eruption, landform of the area changes. Now, volcanoes are popularly classified into three categories that I have told you. What are the three categories? Active volcanoes, dormant volcanoes, and extinct volcanoes. There are three types of volcanoes are there. Active volcano, dormant volcano, and extinct volcano. So we are done active volcanoes and dormant volcano. Okay, but once again, I just read it and we will move towards the extinct volcanoes. Okay. Now, active volcano which erupt regularly. Regularly they are active. They are erupted regularly. That is active volcano. Now, dormant means temporarily inactive, in a deep sleep. Temporarily inactive. Okay, that is in a deep sleep. That is the dormant volcano. We found information about the eruption of these volcanoes in the history, but now they are quiet. We found all the information in the history, but now they are quiet. Okay. Extinct volcanoes. Now, geographers can guess by looking at the rock formation that they used to erupt long ago. But there is no record of it in history. An extinct volcano is unlikely to erupt again. Okay. An extinct volcano is unlikely to erupt again. Krakatau is an active volcano. Krakatau is the place where the volcano erupts regularly. That's why it is active volcano. It has erupted many times, causing great disaster. The worst of eruption took place in August 1883. सबसे worst eruption हुआ August 1883 में. The volcano erupted with such a loud boom that it was heard more than 3,500 kilometers in Australia. इतना बड़ा आवाज था कि उसका आवाज 3,500 किलोमीटर ऑस्ट्रेलिया तक के पहुंचा. So it was such a loud eruption, we can say. The island, which was a volcanic mountain, collapsed on itself. The dust that was thrown up in this eruption rose to 80 kilometers in the sky. उसकी जो dust थी वो 80 kilometers in the sky में गई. Like see the picture. Okay. It spread in the sky around the world and later settled in different parts of the world. Okay, thousands of kilometers away. Thousands of kilometers away. The eruption caused giant waves or tsunamis in the sea near the island. The eruption caused giant waves or tsunamis in the sea near the island. About 165 villages and towns were destroyed due to the eruption and the tsunamis. 165 villages are destroyed due to the eruption and tsunamis. See, the eruption destroyed 2/3 of the island of Krakatoa. So eruption destroyed 2/3 of the island. Means near about whole island. It collapsed beneath the surface of the sea. Surface of the sea collapse हो गया पूरा नीचे गिर गया, creating a huge underwater volcanic crater or hole. वो इरप्शन इतना बड़ा था कि एक ह्यूज अंडरवाटर होल उसने क्रिएट कर दिया सी के अंदर. The hole was more than 6 kilometer wide. ना 6 kilometer wide था वो hole. Then in 1927, a plume of smoke rose out of the water of the crater. Smoke rose out. Smoke धुआं आने लगा. It was followed by another eruption. उसके बाद एक और another eruption. A few days later, a new island volcano broke water. How did it happen? Volcano broke water. Water को broke करके. So, how it happened? ये कैसे हुआ? When the underwater volcano threw up ash and rock. अंडरवाटर जो वॉल्केनो हुआ उसके बाहर जो एश और रॉक आए, इट वॉज क्विकली टेकन अवे बाय द सी वाटर. सी वाटर से अलग हो गए, बहते आ गए. बट देन द लावा स्टार्टेड फ्लोइंग आउट ऑफ क्रेटर फास्टर. बट लावा आने लगा बाहर फास्ट. दिस वॉल्केनिक मटेरियल वॉज नॉट ऑल टेकन अवे बाय द वेव्स. This volcanic material was not all taken away by the waves. And a new mountain began to grow. New mountain began to grow. It kept growing and was soon seen above the water. Grow होते हुए वो water के ऊपर अंदर. Thus a new island grew from the old island of Krakatoa. इसकी वजह से Krakatoa में से एक new island grow हुआ. It was named Anak Krakatoa. Lessons Anak Krakatoa. उसका नाम क्या रखा गया? Anak Krakatoa. Or it is called the child of Krakatoa. न्यू आइलैंड को चाइल्ड ऑफ Krakatoa ये नाम से जानेंगे. अनक Krakatoa is still an active volcano. यहाँ पे अनक Krakatoa ये क्या है? एक्टिव वोल्केनो. Eruptions have begun again since 1994. अगेन इरप्ट होने लगा वो 1994 से. Anak Krakatoa is still an active volcano. Eruptions have begun again since 1994. It lies quiet for a few days and then again there are eruptions. It lies again for a few days and then again there are eruptions. Now, with more lava flowing out, the eruption takes place with more lava flowing out. The island is still growing bigger since 1950. The island has grown at an average rate of 5 inches per week. The island ग्रो होने लगा 5 inches per week. एक हफ्ते में 5 inches होने लगा वो. A part of the old island known as Rakata is still visible in the sea. Rakata, a little away from the new arrival. A little away from the new arrival. Anak Krakatoa. After Krakatoa's eruption in 1883, All the surrounding island and coast were covered with hot ash. जितने भी all the surrounding island and sea coast were covered with hot ash. Not life remained. No life remained. No life remained there. When a scientist visited 1884, he found just one spider there. एक ही स्पाइडर मिला उनको जब साइंटिस्ट ने वहां पे विजिट किया कब 1884 में सिर्फ लाइफ वाज नॉट देयर only one spider is there but the living world on Rakata was not lost and gone forever लेकिन हमेशा के लिए नहीं गया था the wind and the sea brought seeds of plants to the island the wind and the sea wind ने और sea ने क्या किया brought seeds of plants to the island. Plants and animals that live in the sea came to the coast again. Plants and animals that live in the sea came to coasts again. Small land animals like ants, termites, or even rats and lizards travel to the island on plants floating in the sea. Small animals, land animals like ants, termites, rats, lizards, they would travel on the island on plants floating in the sea. One edge of the island was seen teeming with plants and animals. It was like a laboratory where scientists can see how living things slowly develop in an area. How living things slowly develop in an area. Today, scientists can observe this also in a part of Anak Krakatau, which does not get covered with volcanic ash. So, see the picture of this. See this picture. So, living things a bit slowly develop in this area. Today, scientists can observe this also in a part of Anak Krakatau. Anak Krakatau के part में भी ये हो रहा है, which does not get covered with volcanic ash. ये volcanic ash से covered नहीं है. The western coast of Java was greatly affected by Krakatau's eruption. The western coast of Java was greatly affected by Krakatau's eruption. Very few human beings were left there. Very few human beings were left there. But the wild animals and plants in that area grew in number again. They were growing. What wild animals and plants in that area grew in number again. In fact, the wildlife grew naturally. Abhi wildlife naturally grew ho raha hai. Okay. And plants are also growing. Since there were no human beings to interfere with, यहाँ पे कोई भी human being इसके साथ interfere नहीं कर. There was no one there to cut the trees or kill the animals. और पेड़ काटने के लिए नहीं है और एनिमल को मारने के लिए भी कोई नहीं. Okay. There was no one other to cut the trees or kill animals. So this region became a rich in wildlife. And because of that reason, this region is rich in wildlife. Okay, this is rich in wildlife. Nobody is there to disturb the natural environment. That's why wildlife is growing very beautifully in the Anak Krakatau. Okay. In this way, we have finished this lesson Anak Krakatau. So, what is meant by eruption? Volcanic eruption, types of volcanic eruption we have studied in this lesson. Okay. Now your homework is read this lesson. What is your homework? Your homework is read the lesson. Read the lesson. Anak Krakatau. Read the lesson. Okay. So nothing is there. In geography, you have studied so many times volcanic eruption. So all this is about the volcanic eruption. So types of volcanoes are given: active volcano, dormant volcano, and extinct volcano. We have studied. Okay. So read lesson. In question answers of this lesson, we will see in the next period. Okay. Bye.